Alec Macheso has finally cancelled his show namakadzi kuSilala Festival ati iye panguva dzino tiri kumira for peace, unity and tolerance nemutual respect munguva yekudzingwa kwevana veZimbabwe munyika yeSouth Africa. Uku Madam Bose vanyora tsamba yavo vachiwisha mwana wavo happy 3 years vakati ivo vakarwadziwa zvikuru kuramba vachisekwa ungomwa. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So musure measure weja yanga ichitika muma streets mumakadzi achitotaura kuti anogona kutongouya kuZimbabwe Alec Macheso anyway achatongouya kuSilala Festival amusi kuzotimisa to perform together. Aiwa vaMacheso vati ivo seartist vagoni kuramba vakanyarara pakadai vadecide kupa an official statement vati ivo we regret to inform you mafunze wa mishumo varungu vedu amakiwa, our fans, supporters and festival attendees that we are unable to participate in this year's Silala Festival. This decision has been necessitated by the current security situation, protests and unrest affecting foreign nationals in South Africa, circumstances which are entirely beyond our control. Just for the record, all contractual and logistical arrangements had been completed and we were fully prepared to attend the event. However, the safety and well-being of everyone involved remains our highest priority. We extend our sincere gratitude to the organizers and to all those who were looking forward to seeing us perform. We remain committed to joining you in the future once conditions improve and normality returns. We encourage everyone to promote peace, unity, tolerance, and mutual respect during these challenging times. Music transcends borders, and together we can build stronger and more inclusive communities. Thank you for your understanding and continued support. Wenyu Chesology. So Bashero vasota chirungu machinzwa here. Well done Bashero. Vati ivo vari kumira ne nyika yekwavo panguva yakadai ndokugona kauku. More love for you Baba Sharon. Aiwa tiri kufara. So iye makadzi wati iye more love for you Baba. I hope to see you soon. One love. Kuzodaro manje vana veZimbabwe vamanyirapo vakanopindurana namakadzi vakati chimbomira zvako makadzi ichokwadi sisalungisa our country Zimbabwe kadzineta to the world. We love you from Zimbabwe, but for now just relax, don't worry, let the dust settle. Zvese zvinoita ene dziyo yenyu yesimba raMwari yamakasota naMacheso isusu tichiri kutongoitamba. You are still getting a playtime tichiri kukupa ma views. Saka for now just benefit that usauye zvako kuZimbabwe. Nesu Bashero havasi kuuya chero ikoko. Makadzi, you have always been welcome to Zimbabwe. You have performed before a captivated Zimbabwean crowd at home and in the diaspora. However, the current geopolitics obtaining makes it virtually impossible for you to perform in Zimbabwe. Zvimwechetezvo Baba Macheso avagone kuuya ikoko. There are people who lost valuables, who lost their sources of livelihood, who spent weeks in the cold. They are angry and they need to retaliate. If you can be here, unogona utongo shandisirwa violence. Just stay away. Let the tensions boil down before you entertain thoughts of coming to Zimbabwe. Baba Shero, tinokutendai. The true measure of professionalism has been shown. Thank you for showing these young artists how true professionalism is done. You don't just rush kungo popota, but you engage constructively rather than reacting with noise and anger. True professionalism lies in the ability to rise above the impulse, to rant or react impulsively. It is about transforming heated moments into opportunities for growth, understanding, and constructive dialogue. Well done. The explanation is straight to the point. No xenophobia. The chief has spoken. Makadzi ombogara kuneste kwako ndokuti bendi revanhu kairi magona chokwadi try mashows kwenyu ikoko ivo voitawo kwavo ikoko isusu tichiri pakuchema hapana paunobata party mu village mune funeral ndozvega zvazvichingokumbikwa nemazimbabwense kuti maartist makuru angotaura pamaplatform avo a simple message no to xenophobia chete. Okay, ukuwo Madam Bose vafara zvikuru kuti mwana wavo atena 3 years, asi nyaya haingopereri pamufaro wavo iwoyo. Vanotanga zvakare kurondedzera nyaya yekunzi vakambodya chibereko chavo, nyaya inovarwadza zvakanyanya, but anyway at the end of it all vakakwanisa kuzobata mwana mumaoko. Vati ivo, after having my first child, I waited 10 long years for another child. During those years, the world laughed at me because I couldn't have a second child. People said the cruelest things, even saying akadya chibereko chake, that I had eaten my own womb. Then, when I finally conceived, some still couldn't believe that God had done it for me. They called it a silicone pregnancy. And after I gave birth, even some said I had adopted my own baby. Imagine being trolled by other women for secondary infertility. Women who know what it means to desire a child and understand how precious motherhood is. Those words broke me in ways many people may never understand. My mental health was scattered. I lost so much confidence in myself. But while people were laughing, God was writing my story. And then, in God's perfect timing, I conceived naturally. Never questioned God. Never put a deadline on his miracles. After 10 years of waiting, crying, praying, being mocked and misunderstood, God gave me my precious jewel, the most beautiful baby I have ever seen. Malia Tadisa Munetsiwa. Today, my answered prayer is already 3 years old. Happiest birthday to you, my baby, my precious jewel, my testimony, my miracle, my Zabu Wangu. You came into my life as proof that God has the final say. People talked, people laughed, people doubted, but God answered. I love my children more than words could ever explain. They are my heart, my joy, and my greatest blessings. Happy 3rd birthday, Malia Tadisa Mnetsiwa. Tabu wangu, Mama loves you beyond measure. What God has blessed, no human can take away. Hashtag Malia Munetsiwa. So ndo nyaya iri kubva kuna Madam Bose vari kufara zvikuru kuti dzaburuka nyasha dzashe watena 3 years. Asi nyaya iyoyo yekungoti vedwe vanhu vakamboseka musikana achikona kubata mimba, ndopaunoona kuti women are not even fixing each other's crowns, but it's good donzerana pase. Pane vati ivo, I followed you from way back, right from the beginning, and I witnessed almost everything you've mentioned here. I felt for you and the family, seeing some of the things people said and how they judged you so harshly. But one thing I've learned in this life is that God will never stop blessing someone because of what people say. Hasi headman weku village kwevaitaura avo. He is God and blesses each individual according to his own perfect will and timing. Your testimony is a beautiful reminder that no amount of mockery, gossip or doubt can stop what God has already ordained. Happy 3rd birthday to your precious miracle. Happy birthday, beautiful Malia. May the good Lord continue to bless, protect and favor her all the days of her life. So ndo nyaya iyi mamadzimai akati why are you bothering yourself to explain naye Madam Bose? Wazvinetsere yako nevamwe vanhu vane pfungwa dzavo dzakaboiriswa zvechokwadi. Ivo madam vangoti pamwe pacho zvinhu zvacho zvinenge zvichinyanyisa kurwadza, but kuna Malia aiwa makura mainini makutumikawo kumba ikoko muchibatsirana namai B basa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.